The island of New Wessex is situated in the Severn Estuary off the south coast of Wales. Built on a strong island culture, the people were proud of their heritage and relative solidarity and autonomy from the other nations of Great Britain. The railways brought the island into the modern era, with links to Britain's towns, cities and industries allowing goods and people to travel freely between. With the growth of the railways came the growth of New Wessex's own industries and towns with a huge influx of tourism. There were two routes on the island. The first was the main line from the island's capital, Alfredston, through to the north coastal town of New Harlech, where the railway dove under the Harlech Straits to join the mainland at Porthcawl. Roughly halfway along this main line was the market town of Retford. Here was the beginning of the other line, a 15-mile branch line along what is colloquially known as the Stovell Valley Railway. This follows in most part the path of the River Stow to its end at Stowmouth. We start our tales in 1954, just under a decade since the end of World War II. The country was still pulling itself out of the shadow of the devastating conflict. Pastures new beckoned, the shackles of the past being thrown to the wayside, the people of the world looking forward to the future. I am Lord Montague Stovell, and these are the stories of the engines and people that make up the island of New Wessex.